Halo guys, ketemu lagi di Mam Abil channel yang berisi tentang keseharian Abil dan keseruan keluarga Abil. Buat kamu yang baru menemukan channel ini, jangan lupa untuk tekan tombol subscribe, like, share, dan komen. Buat kamu yang sudah mengklik video ini, thank you ya guys. Semoga kalian sehat selalu. Jangan lupa like dan komen ya. Langsung aja yuk guys, ikutin videonya. Happy watching.
A few moments later.
Hai guys, ketemu lagi guys. Apa kabar nih guys? Semoga kalian sehat selalu ya. Salam dari orang Palembang. Jadi di video kali ini ini Papa Abil ya guys. Halo Papa Abil, dan ini Abil guys. Jadi di sore ini kami mau menikmati suasana sore hari di tepi Ampera. Nah, ini ada di Dermaga Point ya guys ya. Nah, ini guys, view-nya langsung ke Sungai Musi dan jembatan Ampera guys. Sambil menikmati sore hari sambil makan pempek, mungkin enak ya guys ya di sini ya guys ya. Kalau sore-sore di sini biasanya ini ya guys ya, pengunjungnya mungkin dari kafe-kafe sini atau orang-orang yang hanya ingin berfoto di view jembatan Ampera, atau juga ada dari kota lain yang kesini ya guys ya. Dan biasanya di sore hari ini bakalan lewat kapal-kapal kecil dan ketek ya guys ya, ataupun kapal-kapal pembawa batu bara itu bakalan lewat biasanya sekitar jam 4, jam 5. Di ujung sana itu kafe tepian Ampera guys. Kalau yang di sini namanya Dermaga Point 789 guys. Nah, di sini juga asik ya guys ya, karena kita bisa langsung melihat view jembatan Ampera guys. Sambil menunggu makanannya datang ya guys, kita ngobrol-ngobrol dulu ya guys ya. Selamat sore dari kota Palembang guys. Salam kenal untuk kalian semua dimanapun kalian berada, mau di Indonesia, mau di luar Indonesia. Salam kenal semuanya dari kota Palembang.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Hai guys, nggak berasa ya guys, sekarang sudah di 6 menit 33 detik guys. Thank you buat kamu yang sudah stay sampai menit ini guys. Nah sekarang ini ya guys ya, ini dia guys view-nya ya guys. Kalau disorot dari sini, ini langsung menghadap ke jembatan Ampera ya guys ya. Selamat menikmati view kota Palembang guys. Oke guys, mungkin untuk video kali ini segini dulu ya guys. Thank you buat kalian yang sudah menonton video ini dari menit awal sampai menit terakhir. Kalau kalian suka dengan video ini, jangan lupa untuk tekan tombol like. Kalau buat kalian yang belum subscribe, jangan lupa subscribe ya, agar channel ini terus berkembang dan bisa membagikan sesuatu yang bermanfaat untuk kalian semua guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you next video guys. Bye bye. Bil, pulang Bil. Pulang, kita pulang. Dan ternyata di Ampera ada pasar malam guys. Ini ada sangkar burung guys. Tapi ini kayaknya hujan rintik-rintik guys. Jadi kami tidak bisa berlama-lama di sini. Next time kami main ke sini lagi. Banyak jajanan guys di sini guys. Wah, ada ombak asmara juga. Rame banget ya pasar malamnya. Baby crab. Es krim. Sekarang yang ujung situ kan kita nggak, kalau situ kosong nggak
tujuan stasiun Polresta dan terakhir di stasiun GCKA akan berangkat dari Kelas 1. Terima kasih.